It is 7 a.m. We've got the laser loaded up, ready to go. And it is really cloudy. And head out to Bowditch Point, back down to Fort Myers Beach, and then back up to Bowditch Point. We have consistent weather throughout. Currents, winds, weather, everything that I look up in the morning before heading out, just for safety. All right, you guys, we're here, Bowditch Point.
Fork in the road. Sometimes you have to go on one part of the fork and they gotta go on the other part of the fork. They got a salad fork and you have one of the big dinner forks and you have longer to go, but they're like done small little shrimp forks.
Wow, it's such a beautiful day. A shipwreck. There's just tons of wind coming off the shore side, so we're gonna go around the other side of the beach. It's a little bit more calm, and we can set up and rig there. But this is freaking awesome. Oh, people are camping. Right. Check out that huge fishing boat out there.
Lover. These are my practice blades too, you guys. I don't use the same rudder and centerboard that I do when I go to regattas. So it's not the end of the world if I scratch the bottom up a bit, as you can see. And that one's been refurbished. Check out that video, link up top, if you guys want to check that out and how to fix your centerboards or make little fiberglass adjustments. All right, let's get it, you. All right, I think we're ready to go. How to leave a beach. Usually get the line untangled, make sure everything's good. Go ahead and grab your tiller extension. Make sure you got good road ahead. And I'll let the wind force, and that's it. Done deal. There'd be a pirate ship. right here, you guys. Little Dolph. This is it, Fort Myers Beach, Lani Kai. If you guys ever get a chance, come out here and check this out. You got the pier way out there, you guys saw that. Beautiful day. It's a little cold for swimming. Actually lets you ride bikes on the beach, which is pretty cool. Well, let's go check it out. Yeah, a little beach top bar over there. It's just bar after bar after bar. And then this way, same story, bar after bar after bar. But honestly, this is kind of the staple Lani Kai. And you can actually go up to the top. It's rooftop dining. It's awesome. We got a full send. It's Fort Myers Beach, you guys. Pretty cool. It's like the spring break capital of South Florida. If you're on spring break, it's where you go. Alright, you guys, that was legit. We'll bounce out of here though, it's time. We're gonna start head back. Let's get back.